Because of COVID-19, many small businesses have had to rethink the way they do things. One West Island art gallery is taking their canvases to the streets. Here's Christine Long.
In the Pointe-Claire Village, a Dutch artist is painting a Korean vista. Denise Buisman-Pilger has her easel out on the sidewalk for all to see.
When I'm working outside like this, they can actually see the work progress, and they can see the amount of time and effort that goes into a painting, whereas they just see it online where most people are shopping right now. They don't see that.
This is part of the Curbside exhibition series hosted by the Viva Vida Art Space. It's an open-air gallery on weekends. When people are hesitant to come indoors to view the art, Nedia Khouri brings the art outdoors onto the sidewalk.
It's sort of already difficult as a small business art gallery to bring people into the gallery, right? Then with COVID and all these restrictions and protocols, it became even more difficult.
The pandemic hit the art world hard. Nedia had to pivot. So she started with a drive-by vernissage and then a sidewalk exhibition, often with the artist present. It allows casual conversation with curious art fans.
It's been such an amazing opportunity for the gallery to bring the art outside and for actual collectors to come in and see me work and see the work outside in a safe environment where everybody's more comfortable.
Comfortable enough that folks who may not visit an art gallery check out this one.
I've had people that have come into the gallery that generally maybe would be more shy to come in, so definitely an accessibility to the art that maybe wouldn't have been there, sort of the silver lining, that we have maybe due to this COVID.
The Viva Vida Art Gallery in Pointe-Claire Village has curbside exhibitions on weekends for the rest of September. Christine Long, CTV News.
Very beautiful. Thank you. Wow.